How you doing, folks? Here we are. It's time for a market update. What's going on with interest rates? I know the last few updates I've been talking about how rates were on a rise because the economy shows signs of improvement. Stimulus checks were printed, but guess what? We're seeing a little bit of reversal now. Over the last couple rate weeks, interest rates got a little bit better. Why did they get better? Well, that stimulus check boost we got is probably just about over. Once the checks are spent, the impact of the checks go away. But one of the biggest things is basically the market has expected the economy to improve a lot faster due to the vaccination. Well, they're kicking that down the line a little bit to later summer for the economy to improve some more. They think that COVID, as a result of the vaccine, is still having an impact on our market. Part of it is, the initial thought was that 75% of the population would be vaccinated by the beginning of the summer. Well, there's not even 75% of the American public that want to get a vaccination. That could be an issue. In addition to that, our worldwide, get my tongue tied, economy is there's still issues of COVID numbers increasing throughout the world. And a lot of countries don't have the manufacturing success that the United States is having. And of course, we still trade with the world. So even though the United States have had some great success in manufacturing, we still have COVID impacting it around the country, around the world, I should say. So I just think that right now rates have been right around 2.875 to three and a quarter, depending on credit score and other factors. But we're still at record low rates, 2.875 to three and a quarter. I think last time I was talking rates between 3% and 3.5%. We do think that inflation will become a factor throughout the summer. So we may see those, of course, go up. So if anybody's out there now, you're buying, hey, lock in your interest rate, take advantage of the opportunity. The rates are a little bit lower right now. And one of the other things last week, we had some of the new housing building permits numbers and new starts come out. And what we need is inventory. That's what we need desperately in our marketplace. And new housing starts from new construction last week showed about a 15% month over month increase, and also completions was up about 16%. So that's good sign. We know we need more inventory, and hopefully, instead of the federal government doing in a tax credit or credit for buyers to buy a home, maybe they'll help builders out by giving them maybe a lower tax for homes below the median home price to get some more construction in that area, make it less costly, because lumber prices are up about three times as much as they were a year or so ago. And that, of course, is going to continue to crunch new construction and their margins, which is important because we know that inventory is what's going to continue to keep prices going up and making it more difficult to get your buyers into homes without the inventory. Anyways, word of the day is courage. Being willing to move forward even when you're afraid. Being willing to do the difficult things. Courage is the word of the week. Have a great day.